Going up and down in English, exploring common phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of our English learning journey. Today, we're going to navigate the interesting world of English phrases, particularly focusing on two key directional words, up and down. These words don't just help us express physical direction, they're also an integral part of many common English phrases. So, let's dive right in and learn how to use up and down in everyday language. Up is often used in English idioms and phrases. Here are some examples. 1. Wake up. This means to stop sleeping. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. 2. Look up. This can mean either to find something in a book or on the internet or to have hope or optimism. Example: whenever you are in doubt, look up the information. 3. Speak up. This means to speak louder or voice your opinion. Example: if you have any questions, don't hesitate to speak up. Remember, in these examples, up doesn't mean a physical upward movement. Instead, it's part of an idiom or phrase that conveys a particular meaning. Similar to up, down is also frequently used in English phrases. Let's look at some examples. 1. Sit down. This means to rest in a sitting position. Example: please, sit down and make yourself comfortable. 2. Write down. This means to record something in writing. Example: can you write down your email address for me? 3. Calm down. This phrase is used to soothe someone or ask them to relax. Example: everything is under control. Please calm down. Again, remember that down in these phrases doesn't refer to a downward direction. It's part of an idiom or phrase that conveys a specific meaning. And there we have it. Today we've explored how up and down are used in common English phrases. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on these interesting uses of up and down, and will help you to understand and use these phrases better in your daily life. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every step, even the smallest one, brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing.